Well, winter is officially upon us. Is your outside spigot ready for the cold weather? Do you even need to worry about it? Heidi ho, everybody. Rich here. Let's talk about a few things you can do to get your outside spigot ready for the coming weather and make sure that it doesn't freeze and you don't have a pipe burst. First thing you'll want to do is detach your hose from the house. Make sure you drain all the water out of your hose and put it in storage for the winter. Remember, storing your hose indoors will dramatically extend its serviceable life. Next thing that's really helpful is to know the type of hose bib you have installed. Now, many homes will have the frost-free style bibs installed. An easy way to tell that this is frost-free is to look at the valve knob, and you'll notice that it's in alignment with the faucet shaft. The frost-free bibs also have a slight downward pitch to allow the water to drain out. The water shutoff valve is located deep inside the pipe. This allows the water to be cut off in the section of the faucet that's still in the house where it's still warm. Now, if you live in a cold area, it's highly likely that you already have these installed. If not, this is something you definitely should consider adding for the peace of mind. Next, check the seal or the area around the house bib. You'll want to make sure that there's no gap where cold air or moisture can get in there. If necessary, you're going to want to add some insulation, some putty, or some caulk to fill that area. The next thing you might want to consider is installing outdoor faucet covers. The best part is these are super easy to install. You simply put this loop over the spigot, you pull the drawstring tight, and you're all done. Now, these covers can typically be found for about $5, and they add another layer of protection. Now, they're typically insulated styrofoam type material, and the dome shape allows them to easily fit over your spigot. There is another step you can take to significantly reduce the risk even further, and that's by turning off the water inside your house. To do this, the first thing you need to do is locate your water cutoff valve and simply turn it off. Now, this valve is typically going to be located within a few feet of where the water goes to the outside spigot. Now, although this is the most surefire way to prevent your pipes from freezing, it can have some drawbacks. Now, in my experience, those frost-free valves can stick when the water's been shut off for all winter. Now, you can disassemble them, reset the valve, and get them working again, but that's an additional hassle you'll need to decide if you want to take on. If you don't live in an area of extreme cold and you have the frost-free bibs, you might want to just skip that last step. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Think about subscribing. Give me that thumbs up. Now, I'm going to put some other quick tips here that you might want to check out, along with some other videos. Finally, to all my brothers and sisters serving in harm's way around the world, you're always in my thoughts. Be safe out there.